Okay, so now that we've had a chance to kind of look at the one-day sequence MVP, okay, let's go ahead and briefly look at 2048 in Python, which is uh, a project we're currently developing for the 7-day workshop. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like. We have a lot of your codes here, and this is essentially based off, and it resembles very closely introductory projects and programs that we did while in Berkeley. So this stuff is based off the foremost introductory programming class at Berkeley. And so what we do have is a preview and a spec like this. And so it has very specific instructions, background, abstraction layers, working with your project file, and then targeted help, which I think is really the important thing. If you're really confused on how to get started, how to get started, and then check off points with instructors and TAs to see if you're correctly grasping certain concepts, like if something can be true or false, or true and false. And this is like a very targeted review, very helpful for students after running this workshop one time. I saw the differences in students that were able to ask for help with what they wanted to know, but the ones that didn't know what they wanted to know, this is what the targeted help is for. Okay, and just a quick preview of how this works. So let's see. Okay, basically it's an interactive GUI, terminal-based, that students can use decently easily, and it plays the game for them. Okay, and then we would have them, filling out the code, following the spec, and this is essentially a large program. This actually comes built in with tests as well. So if you want to test on getting pieces and placing pieces, or place random, there should be 4 spots filled. There should be 8 spots filled, 12 spots filled, 16 spots filled, etc. Ensure the ratio is roughly pretty close to that, and it is. So, yeah, this is the project that we are currently developing for our 7-day.